This is the first time I've seen the beans actually eat with the lights on in the room. Tatia perugiae, honeycomb catfish. They are from, well, South America, but I don't remember exactly where. I'm gonna guess Peru is one of those. Maybe I'm completely wrong. And the interesting bit about them is that they are, they reproduce internally. So the male at the base of the anal fin. This is a female. You can see the anal fin is rounded, and the male is somewhere over there, but he has a different anal fin, with which he impregnates the female, which will then eventually lay eggs rather than giving live birth. So they're pretty weird like that. And right now they're eating with the lights on. It's fucking awesome. Yeah, showing a bit of territorial display. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned, but their name is the Beans. I mean, the name I gave them as a group, the Beans. Anyways, thanks for watching, and see you later, hopefully.